Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This was sent to me by Alex, and we're going to find out what's inside here just in a sec. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. There is, of course, a link for Patreon right down in the description, and please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay. Whoops. Okay. There we go. Get into the sides here. Oh, yeah. It's time to sharpen the scalpel again. I mean, you know, considering what it is, for those of you wondering, like, what is that? It was made by a viewer for me, specifically meant for unboxings. And it's an F-150 truck spring, so it's not like it's something that's going to have the most amazing edge retention ever. It did all right. Oh boy, we got a whole bunch of stuff in here, I think. Okay, nice pack material. And there's a note. Wonderful. Notes are my favorite. If you send me a knife, send me a note. It just makes things really easy. Okay. Hey, Metal Complex. I'm a big fan of the channel. Keep up the great work, and I enjoy the enthusiasm you put into your content. You've influenced my tastes and knives as well. That's awesome. Okay, cool. So let's check out what's in here. Okay, here's a something. What is this? Is it a sheath? What is this? Sorry, I'm ripping this apart and there's lots of bubbles. What is keeping this from coming out? I don't understand. Why? There we go. Okay. So, all right, we have a giant mouse. Is this a fixed blade? Oh, neat. Okay, that's kind of cool. It's like, yeah, it's a fixed blade. Is it a fixed blade Fox Onzo? Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Okay, cool. I don't know if this is available or not. I'll link it down below. When it comes to fixed blades, some of the larger stuff is intriguing, but I mean, the really cool stuff is fixed blades that are actually EDC size. God, that is a really nice sheath. Look at this. Wow, that is really nice. I'm actually intrigued by that. I mean, this is the size of fixed blade that I could actually EDC. That's cool. If this is available, I'll definitely link it down below. Sometimes I get stuff like fixed blades and I'm like, I don't know if I want to review that, but I think that's kind of neat. Then we've got a Kizer in here, and I think I know what this is. I think. Oh, that's right. I always forget with Kizer. Between Kizer and Concept, the packages are slightly different. And yeah, here we go. This is the M390 Begleiter. I have reviewed this knife, but I gotta tell you, it's been a while since I've handled this and talked about it on the channel. This is a great knife. I've reviewed it. You can check out my original review. I am going to talk about the M390 variant because this is available right now. You can find it right down in the description, and they're $100. For those of you who don't know about M390 or the Begleiter or what, $100 for this is incredible. It's really, really good. I'm pretty excited about this. Nice and smooth on the action. This has obviously been used a little bit, which is fine. Actually, don't mind that. People ask me, do you mind that if the knives are... I mean, as long as they're functioning the way that they're supposed to, I'd like to review it because it gives a good example of how it's held up over time. Boy, the edge is still doing just fine, despite some marks up here, which is probably just powder against the coating. But yeah, this is neat, and it looks good. I believe this is a Blade HQ exclusive, so if you're interested in picking this up, I mean, like I said, I'll link it right down below, but this is only available at Blade HQ, and you can get the black blade or the satin blade, both in M390. So that's cool. This is a nice little liner lock thumb stud. Yeah, nice blade profile. My thoughts will probably largely be the same on the Begleiter, but I still want to look at it because it's kind of an incredible value, and I feel like there's not as much. This like wasn't blown up super big. Like it didn't get a lot of people talk. I don't know why, but I'm gonna, because I think it's really cool, and you know, this stuff allows people to get their hands on, you know, a really nice knife with a really good design, right? And good fit and finish and all that for not a lot of money. Sometimes you don't have to pay, like, you can get M390 and you don't have to pay very much, but the design is kind of right. Or you can get a great design, but it's not going to be M390, but it's still a good price. This is kind of interesting because everything is together here in one package, and we don't often get a truly excellent design, you know, with truly excellent fit and finish and a great blade steel. We don't see that all the time, and this is an example of that. Full review will come 2 to 3, well, overview on this guy. The review on the additional videos on these where I give more information, because this is not a review. This is just an unboxing. I've never handled this stuff before other than an older variant of the Begleiter. But the full videos will come 2 to 3 weeks down the road, so keep an eye on the channel for that. I think that's going to be pretty much it today, guys. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.